Hello and welcome to this quick clip about domain and range. To introduce this topic, I found a map that shows the territory of the animal called the wolverine. The wolverine's territory extends from on the west, this western tip of Alaska, all the way over across to the eastern part of Canada. It also extends, if you're going up and down, from the northern part of the United States all the way up to the southern tip of Greenland and northern Alaska. So that would describe from left to right and from down to up where the wolverine lives. Well, we're going to do the same thing with graphs. So let's take a look at this first one. Where does this green graph exist? It doesn't fill the entire coordinate plane. It has boundaries. So the boundaries for the left to right are called the domain. So the domain, and we describe the left to right, is the x-axis. So where does it live? Where does it exist as far as the x-axis is concerned? Well, it starts here on the left side at -1 on our x-axis, and it goes clear over to +6 on the x-axis. So we're going to say that the domain of this green graph is from -1 to, and then we're just using a comma for that, to 6, +6. Now -1's included in the graph, so it's part of the domain, and 6 is included in the graph, so it's part of the domain. The range is how we describe the up and down, the north to south. So we're going to go as far south as we can see. It lives, and it's right here, which if we go over here, that's -2 on the y-axis, and it goes clear up to +4 on the y-axis. Looks as if both of those are included, so we'll say that the range is from -2 up to 4. The next graph shows a parabola. And for the parabola, we have different boundaries. Where does the parabola exist as far as the x-axis? Left to right. We always go left to right, just the same way we read. Well, this arrow indicates that it's going to go on forever and ever and ever off in that direction. So it's going to exist clear into -infinity over here. And this one means it's going off in the positive direction forever, so it's going to go off to +infinity over here. So the way we will write that, that's our domain, and that will be everything from -infinity on the left to +infinity on the right. We also call that all real numbers. Now, for the range, that's our up and down, remember? South up to north, if you want to think of it that way. And we begin down here at -3 on the y-axis. So we're going to say the range has a start at -3, and we know the vertex of the parabola is right there on -3, so let's put a bracket for that, and then it's going to go up, 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 up forever to +infinity on the north. Again, you can think of it that way. Okay, hope this helps. Bye.